Hi, this is Michael, and my wife Lynn and I, we've lived here for 37 years here in Yorba Linda. We had a white chalky substance on the brick. Before Millennium, I had at least 3, maybe 4 different people come to give me a little hand on what to do with the brick. And everyone had an idea what to do. We went from using Purex on the bricks to paint thinner, to muriatic acid, to simple green. It was like vinegar and water. It was a never end, and nothing worked. Then I contacted Millennium, one of the 3 or 4 people that came out, and I met the owner. His name was Eddie. First time I ever met this guy, I'll tell you, just the way he came across, he sold me, him and his company. I really wanted to get a demonstration how this worked, how he was going to clean the bricks. He had already sold me on, he's going to do the jacuzzi remodel, plus put in the new fountains for me and that type of thing. But I wanted to believe that he could really remove this white chalky substance. The cleaning process went superb. I could have not asked for anything to go any smoother than this. We started in the front of our place from cleaning all the sidewalk there and all the brick, and it worked all the way out here to the backyard. When they got done that afternoon, or finished, it was just looking great. And as today, with everything done, I cannot be more happier. My wife and I, we look out here when we're sitting at our patio table. We'll sit here and look at this beautiful brick all the way around. We can't believe it. As you can see by looking at the pictures, it's like, did somebody come in and paint the bricks, or did somebody really put in new bricks? No. I would recommend this to anybody. Don't tear out your brick. Don't think there's not an answer. There is an answer.
Hi, Eddie. You did a wonderful job, and we love you, and thank you so much.
Hey, I second that, Eddie. I love you too, and thank you for an excellent job, and we'll be in touch for maybe another job that you and I were talking about, the redoing of the inside. Thanks again, Eddie.
We love
thank you, Millennium.